Hell yeah.
Yo, so today we got a little different angle, I know, but Seinfeld is on, and I just been sitting here waiting on my next client, watching the best show on earth, Seinfeld. But today we have a video, and I know I got two things before I get into the video, the actual video, right? I know there's gonna be a few videos coming up where I don't have a haircut. That's for one reason, and that's because May 2nd, there's a show in Nashville. There's a barber show in Nashville. So I'm actually waiting to go to Nashville to have Hunt the barber cut my hair, get my beard cleaned up. That'd be the first time getting cut by Hunt. So I'm just wilding out until then. So yeah, by the way, if you're in the Nashville area around that time, or you're in the Knoxville area before that, I have tickets on sale. And I will also be vending at the show. It'll be my first time. I have a product coming out called Crown Products. It's a hair product company, but I'll make a video about that later. But yeah, so if y'all see the next few videos and I'm not groomed and stuff, that's why. And today is, let me see, June. Don't worry about that. March 22nd. I got a little over a month left. But forget all that. So the second thing before I actually get into the video is I got something special for myself, right? Boom and boom. I went on to the Custom FX app from Babyliss and got me some red and black FX clippers and trimmers. If y'all been watching my video, ooh, custom. If y'all been watching my videos, or if anybody know me, my favorite color is red. So we just gonna, this is not a full unboxing. Everybody know what the FX, the Babyliss clippers are. But look at that. Look at that. That's nice. I got the black blade, the taper blade. I just put a taper blade on there. See how that work. But I mean, I've used the FXs before. I don't use the clippers at the moment, but I do have the everything click. You hear that? Red and black. That's my favorite color, so I had to go red and black on the clippers and the trimmers. You know, you gotta have a matching set if you're gonna go custom, They're actually not that much to get them custom. I think they're like $1.99 for the trimmers and like $2 something for the clippers, but there we go. With the graphite blade on there. Red and black. Looking all good and scrumptious. Looking all good and scrumptious. I don't like that though. They could have made that. They could have made the hook either red or black, or, and actually, come to think of it, there's no option to change the color, but I guess that's minute to them. But it'd be cool if I could have changed the color of this to red or black too, but it's cool. I don't hang my clippers anyway, so you won't see it, but you know, it just kind of stand out. It lets you know they are Babyliss, right? So I got those. So that's what I wanted to unbox first, I guess, before I actually get into the official unboxing. And before I get to the official unboxing, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, like the videos, comment, share, and if you dislike, there's a thumbs down button for you as well. All right? Appreciate everybody who subscribed so far. Thank you for being engaging on the channel. When I do these, I want to let y'all know, when I do these reviews, I know there's, like I see a lot of people, they'll say, well, if you take this blade off of that clipper, it'll be better. If you put this motor in this to do this, not saying it's in a bad way, like disrespectful, like don't tell me nothing. But on some things, I am aware of things that we can fix or switch around on certain clippers and trimmers to make them work better for us. When I do the reviews, or when I, not really full reviews, but when I give my opinions on these tools, it's more or less just based on how they come. So that's where I kind of stick to before I really put out. I'm putting my opinion, my review on the actual clipper, like how it is when you buy it. All right. But I do appreciate everybody being engaged and keep them coming. I just don't want it to be misconstrued in a way that anyway, bump all that. Bump all that. So today we have the Full Metal Jacket 44 mag from Caliber. Yeah. New clippers. I think they just came out. So, oh, excuse me. Ask me if I remember the price. Correct. I don't remember the price. So the price will pop up on the screen right back. All right. That's how much these was. You get them from the website. They was on the pre-order system only because they're new clippers. They have some out like these. I guess they're the 44 Magnum, but this is a different edition of them. So we're going to do the unboxing in a different way today. You know, usually I'm doing it where you can see my hands and nothing, but, you know, but we're just going to have a quick unboxing before we get another client coming in. I got maybe 5 minutes. So let's see if I can make it an under 5 minute video. I mean, we're already past 5 minutes, but you get what I mean, the unboxing part. All right. So boom, that is a nice package. It's very glossy. That sun beaming in, so I don't know if y'all can see that, right? All right. So we got Premier rotary motor, lithium ion battery, 5 hours of runtime. Okay. Universal USB charge cord. So it's being charged from the USB. The flap opening. But before we get into that, just to let you see the package a little bit. Nothing bad. Nothing too extreme. You can see the package. See what we got here. Strong power. Charging time 180 minutes for about 5 hours of runtime. That's actually pretty good. So yeah, let's get into this and see what it actually comes with. Metal click lever. So we'll see how that is. Low noise design. Like I said, it got the flap open, which I like that, and it got the extra design in here. There was one from them that when you opened it, it was just kind of bare. I'd rather you have a extra design. Give me something to look at, because this is actually a nice packaging. Of course, you get your pamphlet, little operation manual. You're a barber, you know how to use it. You get your clipper brush. Get your oil, of course. All right, let's get the machine out of here. If I can get the machine out of here. Why just, I mean, I like it though. Snug fit that thing, so ain't nothing falling out everywhere. All right, but before we get to the actual machine, you got your blades. Very reminiscent of the wall guards, the wall premiums. So not too much of a difference on that standpoint. You get a 1.5. You get a half guard, 1.5, all the way up to a 4. All right. So there's your guards, your charging block, USB. Between the phones that I buy and the clippers that are now using USB, I got plenty of blocks to go around. So if you're in the Knoxville area and you need an extra block, I probably got one laying somewhere. All right. USB charger. All right. So like I said, just a quick unboxing. Let's get this machine. Look at that. I like that design right there. I don't know if it's kind of a bat. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's kind of reflecting off of, if y'all can see that. But they get the machine, nothing too crazy. I do like the feel of it. Of course, kind of look like other clippers that are out there. It got a nice little fade blade on there. Not bad at all. Looks like it got a little display, got a LED display. Got this tape on here. So as I'm peeling the tape, I don't like that. This is probably, I mean, this is nothing with the company in a way. This is just the tape. The tape coming off kind of stuck on there, but I can get that off. I mean, it's nothing crazy. So clicks, it's on there real snug, but that's the machine. Fade blade, Caliber, I see you. Nice design. Feel real sturdy, heavy duty. If you ever use the 1919s, they got like a metal casing, a chrome casing similar to this, but this feels more heavy duty. This feels like if I drop this, it's not gonna necessarily just crack on me. You get what I'm saying? So I do like that. And if this is the same blade from their 50 cal, we in good hands. I mean, that one looked a little thinner than this, but it's not, you know, I'll find that and look at that later. So that's the machine. It is quiet, but it's not super quiet. It says low noise, but this is kind of like a magic clip where it's not crazy loud, but it got a little sound to it. Of course, it got a little sound to it. Duh, it got a sound. But I'm gonna shut up so we can hear the sound. Not bad. Came with 100% of charge. This display is just like the ones on the, matter of fact, give me 1 second. Except for they don't have the click, these don't have the click lever. This is a float lever. Then of course the back got the ridges on it. This is more of a flat back. But this is my budget clipper from Ovlux, whatever the name brand was. And this is your caliber. But same display, same sound. Almost very much the same sound. So let's do a sound test. That's the Ovlux budget clipper. That's the caliber 44 mag. Both together. But this is not a comparison video. Caliber 44 mag. Pretty much same display. Let you know when you need oil in it. Let me see. Let you know when you need oil in it and when you need to plug it in. Also with the percentage dropping down. So that's the design of the new 44 mag from Caliber, the full metal jacket edition. Like I said, I do like that packaging though. It's real sleek, real professional hair clipper. So we will put this to the test the next 2 weeks or so. Come back with a full review of these, and maybe I'll let y'all know if the Babeless FXs are any different, which probably no need for a review on those. But either way, thank you all for subscribing to the channel. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Like the video. If you dislike the video, thumbs down the video. Yeah. Cuz by Reggie. We're gonna talk about these. And maybe we will do a comparison on a $100 and some odd clipper versus a $56 clipper that got almost the same body style. Of course, we got a few naming differences, but you get my drift. Cuz by Reggie. I'll be back with another one. And we'll review this after. I'm going to give these about 2 weeks because I got other clippers that I am using at the moment. So after I get done using those and knocking those out, we'll work on these and see what these about. All right. Like the video, dislike the video, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. We out.